In this AI Buddy ChatGPT Powered App review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to create done-for-you content and images using the power of AI, and it's even tapped right into ChatGPT. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI Buddy, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says world's first ChatGPT powered Google killer app creates high quality content like video scripts, designs stunning AI graphics, art, images, blog posts, and generates human-like responses with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes. Effortlessly create and sell high in-demand content, marketing material, AI visual codes, etc. So essentially this is a software that's going to tap right into the power of the highly viral and successful ChatGPT and OpenAI apps. It allows you to create content, you can create images, and you can create all these different things from right inside the software. They even say that you can use voice commands to do this as well. It also includes the commercial license, so you can take that content and use it and sell it as a service, use it for your clients, etc. Now, they've got a bunch of testimonials here. I don't know if these are true. I don't even know if you need these testimonials. These might even have been created using the software, but that doesn't matter. If you're going to purchase it, don't purchase it based upon testimonials. Purchase it based upon the fact that the software does something that's going to help you to do something that you need in your business. Step 1, it says you give a Siri-like command or type in your desired specification about anything you want for content, and then you let it do its work, and then it creates the content for you. Now it says profit. Of course, it's going to depend what you're doing on whether you profit or not from it. But they say you could use this for selling like different services on places like Fiverr and Upwork. It's up to you how you use this. You can create content with it. And now these income screenshots, these just look like kind of made up stuff. So don't think that you're going to use this software and automatically start making money from it. None of that actually exists out there. So I want to make sure that we are clear about that. But you can use a software like this to create content for your business or for other people's businesses and sell it as a service. So you get all these different things here if you decide to purchase. Let me scroll down, get through all this crazy copywriting stuff here. Okay, so if you purchase, you get access to the app, you get access to all the different commands and everything here for a low one-time price. One thing I will show you though, make sure you move your mouse away. Most likely a discount code will pop up here. I make less as an affiliate by showing that to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. So make sure you hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, let's go over and take a look at a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Hey there, stop. Imagine if in just minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first ChatGPT-powered Google killer app that generates human-like responses, creates high-quality content, and designs stunning AI graphics and arts with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat. That gets you better conversion, traffic, and sales like never before. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the AI industry's booming right now. It's taken over the world by storm in 2023 and became the undisputed ruler of the online world. And seeing the profit potential and limitless possibilities of AI, we developed a fully ChatGPT and OpenAI powered app that pushes the boundaries of human-AI interaction and takes businesses and sales to new heights. Finally, this revolutionary AI app allows you to generate human-like crisp and clear responses to complex questions in real time. Create high-quality and plagiarism-free original content like ebooks, articles, essays, stories, poems, and much more. Generate high-converting sales scripts, video scripts, and email swipes for your marketing campaigns. Write creative blog posts, social media posts, Facebook ads, Google ads, and real content for your business. Design stunning AI graphics, visuals, and art instantly. Build professional-looking funnels and website codes just by typing your desired specifications. Write, debug, and explain codes like a professional programmer. Automate the repetitive tasks and save your time. translate languages, solve tricky math problems, or ask for anything that you want. And the best part is, you can get all this done by using built-in Siri-like voice commands. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you fire your expensive copywriters and content writers, fire your expensive website and funnel designers, fire your expensive web developers and coders, and cancel all your existing expensive tools and services. Well, now it's time for you to experience the power of this paradigm-shifting AI revolution that's redefining the boundaries of human intelligence. Introducing AI Buddy. AI Buddy is the world's first ChatGPT-powered Google killer app that generates human-like responses, writes codes, creates high-quality content, and designs stunning AI graphics and art with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat. Finally, unleash the true potential of this groundbreaking AI software and generate non-stop sales and commissions. Now, with AI Buddy, you can start your very own content creation agency and charge anything you like. Design and sell jaw-dropping AI visual art for maximum profit. Craft and sell high-converting marketing materials like sales scripts, video scripts, email swipes, and so much more. Create and sell stunning websites and funnels and fill up your pockets like never before. And that's not all. AI Buddy comes with commercial rights giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality content, stunning AI visuals, and marketing materials to your audience. Well, AI Buddy is the new age AI revolution fully driven by ChatGPT and OpenAI that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Ask. Give Siri-like voice commands or type your desired specification about anything that you want, like content, AI graphics, marketing materials, etc. Step 2. Generate. AI Buddy harnesses the power of ChatGPT and OpenAI and generates high-quality content, AI graphics, marketing materials, or anything you desire. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high in-demand marketing contents, AI graphics, and so much more to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you generate human-like responses, create high-quality content, and design stunning AI graphics and arts with Siri-like voice commands in just 2 minutes flat? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? AI Buddy is the new 2023 AI revolution that's changing the lives of many ordinary people just like you. Finally, end your search with this revolutionary AI Google killer app that has everything you need. And wait, I'm going to sweeten the deal even more. Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to AI Buddy just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. Then don't delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of AI Buddy at the lowest one-time price.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area where you have things like the ChatGPT copywriter or like the image generator. Now you can go in here and generate an image from this. You could do like dog on Mars eating ice cream. And you can select how many images you want. I'm just going to do one. I'm going to do a medium size, and then you click on the submit button, and the software will go out there and it will generate this image for you. It will generate the text for you, anything that you want. And let's see what this does. Here we go. There's a dog on Mars eating ice cream. So you can have the software, anything that you can really think of, it will create for you. Again, it also has like the ChatGPT generator, like write about how to make money online. You can have it create different text for you on how to do these things. Here we go. And then this text, you can use it for however you want in your business. Now there are multiple upgrades. The Pro version says it's gonna unlock faster speed, 180 different languages, extra marketing content, more niches, all these different things. With the Pro, it's normally $37, but if you move your mouse away, you can get a $3 discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you the discount, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one is going to give you it's called Max It's going to remove all limits, unlock unlimited content creation, and all these extra things here. Move your mouse away. You can get a discount on this one as well. The next one here is 100% done for you. So they'll just do everything for you. You can get a $3 discount on this one. Next one here, done for you. Again, so you get 2 of their best marketing tools. You get a website builder and an email autoresponder. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Next one here is looks like a reseller agency license for this. Move your mouse away and get a discount. And they've got a couple more here. One's like you can resell, it looks like the entire sales funnel, and you can get a discount on this one as well. And then they have a white label one. You can get a discount on this as well. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI Buddy and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, it's a software that taps into an API. You could do some of these things by going directly into some of these softwares yourself, but that's up to you how you want to do this. What do I like about this? If you want a software that just kind of has all these different AI things in one place, then this could be something for you. If that's something that will save you time and save you money, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI Buddy review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.